For over 200 years, everyone thought the bald eagle was America's national bird. But what if I told you that wasn't legally true until very recently? The real story is far more fascinating than you imagine.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle. We will learn about the bald eagle. We will find out its meaning for America. And we will learn about a new law that made it official. Every country has symbols. Symbols make people proud and united.
Flags, songs, animals can be symbols.
The bald eagle is a very famous symbol for America. Part 1. The bald eagle in early America. The bald eagle is a big bird. It has a white head and tail. Its body is dark brown. It has a strong yellow beak and sharp claws.
Its eyes are bright.
Its wings are very wide.
It flies very high.
It flies for a long time. People see the eagle as strong and proud. It catches fish. It protects its nest. Early Americans wanted a symbol that showed power. The bald eagle had this power. America was new and free from British rule. People wanted to show America was strong and independent. A strong symbol united people. The bald eagle looked proud and free. It was perfect for America. They wanted their country to be like the eagle, to stand tall and be free. The bald eagle lives only in North America. This made it special. Europe used lions. America wanted something new, something from its own land. The eagle showed power, freedom, and independence. It showed America was different. Part 2. The bald eagle on the Great Seal. The Great Seal is a very important national symbol. It shows a paper is official. It was approved in 1782. Leaders chose the bald eagle for the new nation. On the Great Seal, the eagle holds two things. An olive branch means peace. Arrows mean war. It shows America wants peace, but can defend itself. The eagle's head faces the olive branch. This means America prefers peace over war. The Great Seal was on laws and money. People saw the bald eagle everywhere. On coins, on bills. It became very familiar. So, the bald eagle became a strong national symbol. It felt official. Part 3. What the bald eagle means. The bald eagle means strength and freedom. It is a powerful bird. It flies high in the sky. Nothing holds it down. America started with freedom. The eagle clearly shows this dream. Courage, survival, and protection are also its meaning. The eagle lives in wild places. It faces dangers. Still, it survives and stays strong. It protects its home, like a country defending its people. Symbols bring people together. They remind people of shared ideas. When people see the bald eagle, they think of their country. They feel pride. It reminds them of their history. Part 4. Benjamin Franklin and Critics. Not everyone wanted the bald eagle as a symbol.
Benjamin Franklin was a famous critic.
He helped start America.
Franklin did not like the bald eagle. He thought it was not honest. He said it stole food and was lazy. Franklin believed a symbol should show good values. He did not think the eagle did this. Franklin preferred the turkey.
He thought the turkey was honest. It worked hard.
It defended its home.
He thought it was brave.
But Franklin's idea did not win. Most leaders liked the bald eagle more.
It looked stronger.
Debates are normal. People talk about what is best.
The eagle slowly became very popular.
People saw it everywhere. They linked it with freedom and strength.
It won the hearts of the people. Part 5. Protecting the bald eagle.
The bald eagle lives only in North America. It is special.
In the past, it was in danger. People hunted it.
Pollution and loss of land made it hard. Its numbers went down.
It almost disappeared. In 1940, America passed a special law. This law protected the bald eagle. No hunting, killing, or selling. It protected nests and eggs.
This law helped. The bald eagle population got better.
More safe places to live.
Cleaner water helped.
Today, you can see eagles in many parts of America.
Americans felt proud when the bird returned.
It showed America could fix its mistakes and respect nature. The bald eagle was respected. It was part of American life. Part 6. The bald eagle's official status.
For a long time, people thought the bald eagle was the official national bird.
It was on the Great Seal, money, and flags.
But legally, it was not official.
This was true for over 200 years. This changed recently. President Joe Biden signed a new law. He signed it on December 25th, 2024. The White House announced the bald eagle is now the official national bird of the United States. This made the eagle's long story complete. This new law is important. It gives the eagle the title people always believed it had. Jack Davis from the National Eagle Center said, "Now it finally has its real official name. No other bird deserves this more." The bald eagle is now officially the national bird of the United States.
This makes many people proud. It finishes the eagle's long story.
The bald eagle stands for freedom, strength, and courage. These values are now clearer for American identity. If you found this deep dive into America's most iconic symbol as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to White Eagle for more surprising historical revelations.